I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 108. This is the Active, so it does come with a really useful specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with air conditioning, and you've also got cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.